problem. Everybody that's on the bench now is part of the barristry industry. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, they're all barristers, lawyers. And that, just like all of your school teachers are part of the education industry, all your doctors are part of the healthcare industry. And every industry has within itself an effort to build the importance and the structure and our society's reliance on their industry.
Of course.
They're furthering their industry. Every high school teacher tells you to go to college. Why? Because the more people keep doing education, the more jobs there are at colleges, and maybe they'll be a college professor soon.
Well, exactly.
And so what I'm saying in this, it's just like all the doctors that are for Medicaid expansion, because it's just money in their pocket, right? So this is my problem with all of these judges setting it up so that you have to have an attorney.
Well, it's illegal.
Okay.
Because you always have the right to go pro se.
I'm working with a group right now over in Oklahoma City who they are now filing for the third time for a citizen's petition for a grand jury. And the judge keeps rejecting it and telling them they don't have this right. One time they said, "Oh, you didn't put your name and phone number in it." Well, you've got my name and phone number from this other form. It was just technical stuff. And this is the problem. They're setting it up so that the common man cannot access it. Like, who do we think we are?
Right.
You're not supposed to get a grand jury. Well, we have a district attorney that handles that.
Well, again, this comes down to, and there's nothing wrong with an industry trying to make itself important, make people believe that they're important.
At the expense of my civil rights?
The problem is that it's done by the hand of government.
Yes.
It turns government into a royal sovereign, basically,
yes,
under which we are subject.
Right.
And that is antithetical to anything in America.
Right.
That's the point. We put that off in 1776.
You came from California. The education industry got laws changed so that you can no longer educate your own kids. You have to turn it over to them.
Well, they tried to. That's why we came out here. But they tried to do that.
Everybody in California is living under that oppressive tyranny.
Well, yes, but it's not explicit in law because they haven't done away with homeschooling in California.
Yeah, they put it. You've got to go through all kinds of structured stuff. You have to have an umbrella organization there.
That's been the case for as long as I've known about it.
Yeah, about 20 years anyway. Yeah.
Oh, longer than that. But the point is that nothing since I left, nothing has really changed with homeschooling, other than that they were trying to. Dr. Richard Pan was trying to make it that every homeschooler had to go have a fire inspection in their home, so that some government employee could get in without a warrant and check things out.
Yeah.
Even though no other home had to have a fire inspection, it was going to be unique. And again, no equal protection under the laws, just a particular exercise of right earned you that visit. And so these are the kinds of things that we have got to do something about as a society. And it's going to take us as a society to do it. That's why we're talking about these things. And it's not pie in the sky, tinfoil hat weirdness. They are doing this every day. I mean, I talked about the conspiracy of the cops at with Don Spencer. It's right there on camera where they're all agreeing that they're what they're going to do and how they're going to treat Don or Tim, and they're all participating in it.
Yes.
It is a conspiracy, and it was caught on camera. It's not the conspiracy. Hey, well, if he does this, then we're going to do this and this and that and the other thing. No, but it's pretty implicit. And
I think the homeschoolers here in Oklahoma, though, they can have an NHRA drag queen read for the children. Hey, it's time to move on.
Bring us back.
And let's just.